So it's 1 a.m. in the morning and we just had an earthquake. It's, I think, the third one I felt in 2.5 months that I've been here. It was nothing to worry about, it wasn't major, but my bed started moving and I was half asleep, so part of me thought that I had actually dreamt that, but my next door neighbor screamed in the hallway if anybody had felt that. So apparently that was real. But you know, I'm way too tired to even go out of my room, so I'm just gonna go back to sleep. Hello beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. As you know, it's November now in Japan, which means it's fall. And one good thing about Japan is that no matter in what season you come, there's always going to be some beautiful scenery to see. So today I am going to bring you to Kisaichi so that you get to see what the start of fall looks like when the leaves are starting to change color and the trees, yeah. Bruh. Janai. It seems like the only thing that I say in these videos is that everything is beautiful, but it is like, what the hell? Beautiful. Sugoi. Sugoi. This bridge that we're currently in is the highest suspension bridge that Japan, wooden suspension bridge that Japan has, which is an interesting fact. I don't know how tall it is though, I have to Google that and I'll put it right there, I hope. Found out about this place because one of my teachers, before the start of every class, he tells us things that we should do in Japan in our short stay, and he said that Kisaichi was a good place to do a hiking trail. And this place is just 15 minutes away from where I live, which is surprising. I didn't know that this existed, which is nice. And then it takes about, I'd say, an hour to get here from the station. It's a nice hiking trail. It's what I showed you before. And so far I'm finding that the best places in Japan are not that much of the touristic places. It's more of those places that you find by coincidence that are kind of untapped in a certain way, that are the most beautiful. So if you ever do come to Japan, be sure to make like a lot of research on places that you can see that maybe are not as popular as other ones.
JC, what
Hey.
does that say?
Rakuyono. I don't know what that means.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay. Day by day, it's getting colder in Japan. We're right now in mid-November. It's pretty cold in the morning. When I'm biking, you can feel the air in your hands and like the fingers are about to fall off. So I need to buy myself a jacket now because I didn't bring one. And that is going to be it for today's video. I'm very sorry that I didn't post last week and 2 weeks ago. The thing is, first I went to Tokyo, and then last week my computer decided to stop working on me and I didn't get the chance to upload the video, and I'm very sorry about that. I also want to say thank you to everybody that subscribed during these days. The channel is growing pretty fast and I'm really very happy about that. So thank every single one of you, especially to my mom. Thank you for promoting me. I really don't promote myself, she does it for me. And thank you, Ma. Thank you. I plan to come back here because it's just starting to be fall, so I want to see how it looks like more into the middle of fall when the leaves are even more orange. So I need to show you that as well. So maybe I'll come back here in 2 weeks time. But for now, that's all from me. I hope that you're having a fantastic day and take care.